The Healthy Headwaters Lab has a single mission: to restore freshwater ecosystems to full health and vitality for the benefit of future generations. This lab is spearheaded by Dr. Catherine Febria, who is the Canadian Research Chair in Freshwater Restoration Ecology at the Great Lakes Institute for Environmental Research at the University of Windsor. This is one of many hats that she wears. The lab conducts research in Canada, the United States, and New Zealand, focusing on a variety of headwater ecosystems such as drains, wetlands, streams, and interfaces between surface and groundwater. These incredible places are among those most threatened by human actions, conflicting legal protections, and climate change. The lab team is comprised of undergraduate and graduate students and partners representing departments and institutions at a variety of universities, as well as industry, non-governmental and government organizations, practitioner groups, Indigenous communities, farmers, and others. They work closely with communities and decision makers to drive truly impactful science and are committed to inclusion, diversity, kindness, and curiosity. Locally, the Healthy Headwaters Lab has begun research on a farm in Essex, testing a variety of farming techniques such as planting cover crops, harvesting methods, and soil amendments and their benefit to ecosystem health. Another study aims to advance science knowledge on human-impacted streams by addressing changes in organic matter and carbon dynamics. 2 Essex County wetlands were also research sites for the lab, focusing on wetlands and their role as carbon sinks. Further, the Healthy Headwaters Lab is undertaking multiple projects to investigate the ecology of invasive Phragmites to better understand management options available. Other projects include research on lower Great Lakes mussel species at risk, understanding the relationship between soil and freshwater cycling in agricultural settings, and studying benthic macroinvertebrate communities across watersheds. The Indigenous Knowledge Circle aims to build capacity in the next generation of Indigenous scientists. Indigenous peoples are historically underrepresented in higher education, and the Healthy Headwaters Lab is committed to closing that gap. The Indigenous Allyship Program was launched in 2019 and renamed Odayamin Indigenous Knowledge Circle in 2021. The Traditional Ecological Knowledge course was co-developed with Walpole Island First Nation to introduce students to different ways of knowing and to present Indigenous environmental perspectives. The Healthy Headwaters Lab effectively demonstrates the importance of aligning values of science, society, and holistic restoration through its partnerships, research, Indigenous collaborations, and role in the local community. Those involved gain valuable experience in using multiple scientific approaches to real-world challenges while working towards reconciliation with Indigenous people, and we are most pleased to honor them with the Conservation Award for Education.
Hello, I'm Catherine Febria, and on behalf of the Healthy Headwaters Lab, I wanted to thank you so much for this recognition of the Education Award by ERCA. This is very much a team effort, and so I wanted to acknowledge all of these people on the screen and those behind the scenes that have worked with us to help achieve our mission of using science to reconnect and connect land, water, and people. In that thank you, we want to extend our thanks to the communities that have welcomed us, the farming communities from here, as well as at the Kajranong and in particular in Ndawabjig, many partners, including ERCA, the City of Windsor, people and groups at the University of Windsor. And we hope that for those that are just learning about our group, that you join us in this journey to try and use science to help restore our freshwater ecosystems for the benefit of future generations. So on behalf of everybody, thank you very much.
Miigwech.